Today's video is on the top 3 best horse riding saddle seats. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I have included affiliate links below, which are updated for the best prices. Now, let's get started. Number 3, best budget. Comfort Plus All-Purpose Bareback Saddle. I've been using the all-purpose bareback pad for a while now, and I have to say, it's made my rides so much more comfortable. The pad has a breathable suede top and a layer of tuck and rolls short nap fleece, which gives my horse a nice contoured fit and withers relief. This design helps reduce the fatigue that usually comes with traditional bareback riding. One of the things I love most about this pad is its shock absorption. It's designed to absorb shocks and lessen fatigue, making the rides a lot smoother for both me and my horse. The contoured fit with wither relief stands out in terms of comfort. I can tell my horse appreciates it just as much as I do. Another great feature is the stability. The bottom of the pad is made from an open weave non-slip material, so it stays firmly in place while I'm riding. Whether I'm hitting the trails or just going for a leisurely ride, I never have to worry about the pad shifting around. It works well for both English and Western riding, which is a huge plus. The D-rings at the pommel and cantle are a nice touch too. They keep the pad secure during my rides, and the elasticized girth ensures it stays put. This feature gives me peace of mind, knowing that everything will stay in place no matter how long I'm out. Lastly, the quality of the materials is top-notch. The pad is made from breathable suede and fleece, offering a perfect combination of comfort and durability. It measures 21 3/4 inches in length with a 16-inch drop, and the attached girth measures 22 inches from buckle to buckle. A lot of thought went into the design and construction of this pad. Overall, I'm impressed with the all-purpose bareback pad. It's comfortable, stable, and durable, making it a fantastic addition to my riding gear. My horse and I are both very happy with it. Number 2, best overall premium Western lightweight Cordura synthetic horse saddle tack set. I got my hands on this beautiful classic synthetic Western horse saddle, and let me tell you, it's perfect for trail and pleasure riding. As someone who's tried it out, I can vouch for its incredibly lightweight design, which makes it a dream for any rider looking for a good lightweight saddle like me. One thing I appreciate is how easy it is to clean. Since it's waterproof, all I have to do is wipe it with a damp cloth, and I'm good to go. No more messy, time-consuming oiling to keep it in good shape. That's a major plus in my book. The durability of this saddle is impressive too. With nylon binding around the corners, it's tear-proof, which gives me peace of mind during rides. And let me tell you, the synthetic fleece padding underneath, it's like a cloud for my horse. Maximum comfort all the way. Plus, it comes with all the bells and whistles. A matching headstall, breast collar, reins, and saddle pad. The only downside is that cinches aren't included, but that's a small price to pay for everything else this saddle offers. Now, let's talk specs. The color is a rich brown, and the material is top-notch synthetic Cordura. The seat is soft and light brown padded, and the saddle is adorned with double silver corner plates and Texas Star conchos, giving it that classic Western look I love. In my opinion, this saddle truly has it all. It's comfortable, durable, and easy to maintain. A real game changer for any rider out there. Number 1, our pick. Leather English Riding Horse Black Saddle Starter Kit. I recently tried out the Lucero English Perfect Saddle for beginner riders, and I have to say, it's fantastic. When I first started riding, I was looking for a set that had everything I needed to get comfortable on my horse. This starter set includes an all-purpose saddle with a traditional seat and leather flaps, stirrup irons, stirrup leather, a girth, a bit, and a horse-sized bridle complete with reins. Everything a novice like me needs. One thing I love about this saddle and bridle is that they make excellent training aids. The bridle features a double-layered noseband for extra durability and measures 7 by 8 inches wide. All the hardware is stainless steel, so it's super sturdy and rust resistant. The set also comes with a pair of reins that are 5/8 of an inch wide and 7 feet long, which complete the package nicely. The saddle itself is made of soft leather, which feels great and is surprisingly affordable for the quality. Plus, it's reinforced with heavy stitching, so I know it's going to last. In the package, I got a saddle, bridle with reins, saddle pad, leather stirrups, foot stirrups, girth, and bit. The set comes in black and is from the brand Lucero. Overall, I'm impressed with the quality and value of this starter set. It has made my riding experience so much more comfortable and enjoyable. You wanted the best? You got it. That's it for the top 3 best horse riding saddle seats. For more product info, check the affiliate links and our website, toppick3.com. Like, comment your favorite, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest product videos.